What's up everyone? So in this video I'm going to share you the cool platform or AI that will help you out to learn deeper about something and can be your companion to have the interactive way in learning. And the platform that I'm gonna talk about is this. So you can try this Google NotebookLM, and if you'd like to access it, don't worry because this is super simple to do the sign in. And after that, you can go to this create new. And in this section, you can start to ask that you are wanting to know about something. For example, I'd like to know about the history of New York City, and without having the sources yet, don't worry because this notebook LM will gather for you a lot of sources related to and relevant with this question or topic. So you can click this submit and kindly wait for the result and let this notebook LM to do the research about the sources that will be gathered into this section. And after that, as you can see here, there are more than 7 sources. And after that, you can go to the import. And this notebook LM will start to create you the summary and make it into the section. And for example, this is the summary or the short summary and what things that make it to be the interactive. So you'll not only gather and have the summarize, so you can start to build a conversation to diving deep about the knowledge that you'd like to know related to these things. For example, you can use the question that has been prepared from this notebook LM, for example, about the how did the subway construction method change as the city evolved? And kindly wait until this notebook LM again will gather all of the information to answer your question into this section. And this is gonna be the result. And as you can see, each of this answer has the bubble, which means it's kind of the footnote about where is this statement came from. And you can also do your improvement about the another question. For example, I'd like to know about the how many population and mostly their occupation. And for example, this is the result or the answer, guys. And the another cool things that you can do with this notebook LM to help you out about learning more something in a different way is the flashcard and also the quiz, guys. For example, for the flashcard, you can simply click this and this is gonna show into this section, and you can also do the same thing to create the quiz and kindly wait for the generation process. And apparently here to generate the quiz is quite faster, so you can simply open it. And there are 10 questions, for example. You can choose or pick one that is the correct answer. For example, this one, okay. And click next. And what is the primary function of shield? For example, I'm gonna select this one, okay, right. Okay, I got the wrong answer. And if you'd like to get more explanation about this answer, so you can click this explain, and this gonna give you the explanation in this discussion section or this page, guys. And even you can close this quiz and go to the history flashcard. Basically, this gonna challenge you about the knowledge that you have just read and build a conversation or you have gathered in this chat section. And if you'd like to answer it, then you can simply click this or answer it with your own version first. And after that, you can see the answer, click this, and surprisingly, this is the answer, guys. And if you have already understood about this answer, so you can click this mark and go to the next question. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this notebook LM as your companion to learn about something more fun and also interactive. I hope this video found you helpful, and I'll see you in another video. Bye guys.